Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your followers cannot share your story to Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, we need to access our profile. Go to your profile and then you have to open the setting and privacy or setting and activity. You can click on those three lines on the top right, and now the settings and activity have been opened, and we're going to open the sharing menu right here. Okay, and if you want to make your followers cannot share your story to their Instagram direct messages, you have to turn off this feature, allow story sharing in messages. Just click on this toggle button to turn it off. Okay, and once you have turned off this feature, your story can't be shared to Instagram direct messages. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make our followers cannot share our stories to Instagram direct messages. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.